Today we have one fast unboxing, one of the most desirable and powerful rugged smartphones currently on the market. This is the new Blackview BV9900. We have a 8-watt fast charger, nice wide headphones, 10mm USB Type-C charger cable, screen protector, instructions booklet. Okay, now we're moving on a quick Antutu benchmark test, which our Blackview BV9900 is going through with a phenomenal result. As you can see, this is a fascinating device with an inviolable specification and high power that beats even stronger players in the rugged smartphone market, such as the Cat S52, where our Blackview beats in all segments and goes as the winner, a true king in this rank. The Blackview BV9900 was officially launched today. To celebrate the opening sale, Blackview drops the price of this device to just $299. Over the next 2 days, during the same period, the new BV-SW02 smartwatch will be available for purchase at just $39. The purchase links are below in the description and in the comments below the video. Thanks for being with us, share your valuable opinion and the feedback in the comment section below the video. Stay tuned and for further update in upcoming videos. Bye.